play with your stuffed animals?
You play with your stuffed animals a lot.
If you answer no to both of these questions, you may want to keep listening. You might want to sacrifice a night to spy on your stuffed animals.
Because your stuffed animals may have turned on you and they will avenge you.
When you spy, look for these things.
Make sure your stuffed animals don't get into your fridge and eat all your foods. Make sure you hide your remotes, because they are known for movie parties.
Also, keep an eye on your stuffed animals that are like a puppet, because sometimes they take your stuff and hide them in their pocket.
This one's kind of personal, but watch out for your pajama pants, because they like to take them and put water on them and make them think that you pee your pants.
If you see these things with your stuffed animals,
You are doomed.
hey, it's Cadence. As you can tell, thanks for watching this week's video. Here's a challenge. Push that huge red button before I do 10 cartwheels.